My name's Jeff Pyun. I'm a professor here in the Department of Chemistry at the University of Arizona. The main thing that we're working on now that's got the most recognition is taking one of the byproducts from petroleum refining. So this is elemental sulfur or pure sulfur, and finding a way to convert that into a high-value chemical product. In this case, taking that chemical, which basically is just taken out of petroleum before you put it into your car, and using that compound, which is known as sulfur, to make plastics. Because the plastics that we make from sulfur have very different compositions, meaning most plastics are made out of carbon, right? And our plastics are made out of sulfur. So their properties are totally different. And then finding where those properties would be really useful, that's where the impact was sort of serendipitously found. I chose to be a faculty ambassador for the simple reason that it's benefited me so much that I really thought that it should be something that more people are aware of as far as the benefits of engaging with Tech Launch Arizona, engaging with industry and possible translation pathways for the work they're doing. In a world where research funding is dwindling, one of the ways to have greater impact immediately is having, sort of adjacency or relevance to modern technological problems. And that's not for everyone. Some stuff needs to be done over, decades, and that kind of research should also be supported. But where people are more at the interface of technology and fundamental research is where, resources like Tech Launch Arizona and the Faculty Ambassador Program can help bridge people that are not necessarily in that community directly. Tech Launch Arizona has recruited some of the best talent across the country, right? Particularly from the private sector, from other university tech transfer offices, to basically support University of Arizona faculty technology translation. And that means we've got some of the best people in the country right here to support us. And so what I can say that I was really surprised by is how my program managers in the past from TLA have been some of my closest and most important collaborators. And I mean that. They have been able to give me guidance on what I should do as far as potential opportunities with companies, what things should be patented, what things can be sort of consolidated to later demonstrations, how to manage my own startup company as far as making decisions on certain types of expenditures and directions. So I was very surprised by the level of support and just profound expertise I was able to get. I'm a University of Arizona inventor.